Hello everyone, video today about the VSAC. VSACCS was really looking forward to receiving this one, like every year I would say. So VSAC, as always, is like, as we often see now, groups, etc. that place an order at Victorinox for knives, like not a lot, but something like 200 pieces, 300 pieces. But VSAC, of course, is really important. It's there since 2000, so it's really a big, it's a reference, I would say. Victorinox Swiss Army Knife Collectors Society 2022. A nice blue color this year. So it's ALOX, of course, 93 millimeters. Thickness 14 millimeters. It weighs about 88 grams, and it has, I would say, 8 functions, something like that. So it doesn't have the keyring, of course, which is a really good thing as well. So nice surprise this year. We had this pins. I'm not sure it's the right word in English, but you see what it is. So it was a nice surprise. It was the first time, and it's a beautiful one. Of course, it's metal. So nice surprise for this year. So this special knife, special electrician, or modified electrician. Of course, the main blade with the year 2022 and Jahr, so year in German. Then the reamer, so classic ALOX reamer. Then, not classic, we have the file. So this was the thing for this year. If you have other, if you saw other knives from groups like Victorinox, Freund, etc., it was always with the file on ALOX. So they did that a lot this year. So the metal file, wood file, and a metal saw. And then we have the electrician blade. And finally, the bottle opener, cap lifter, large flathead screwdriver, and the wire bender stripper. So it's exactly an electrician, but it has the file that was added. So limited to 350 pieces this year. There's the certificate. So you have the number, and you don't have it on the knife, it's only on the certificate. So 350 this year. So if you want to pause to read this, but as I say, it's modified electrician, and it's the 23rd year, 23rd knife for VSAC. As a reminder, last year it was the Deluxe Tinker with these multiple colors. So Deluxe Tinker, and then in 2020 it was the Special Farmer X. So it has it didn't add the can opener, but this blade that you can find on the harvester, for example. So it was a Special Farmer X, or we could call it the Farmer Harvester X, because it's like an harvester, but it has the scissors. So here are the three, so now the three last knives. So in 2020 it was 350 pieces here. So it was the first year that they made. They ordered a lot, and then it was 200 in 2021, and now this year is again 350 pieces. To talk about the price, it's more expensive this year. It was say $100, even a bit less, and this year it was 130. That was a big increase for the price. Maybe for that, but it seems $30 seems a lot for just this. I don't know, but yes, it was more expensive this year. So I hope you enjoyed the video. It's a really good knife this year too. If you have any questions, or tell me which one, for example, you prefer. If you would buy this one, of course you have to be a VSAC member to be able to buy the knife. So if you have any questions, I send in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe if you like the videos. I see there are a lot of people watching videos and that didn't subscribe. Take care and see you for the next video. Bye bye.